Hi everyone, welcome to Arogya Physiotips. I am Dr. Anamika Lyngdoh, and today I'll be talking to you about one of the common knee condition, that is Chondromalacia patella. So Chondromalacia patella is also known as anterior knee pain, patellofemoral pain, and also sometimes known as runner's knee. Chondromalacia patella is mostly occurs in young athletic individuals and also in older adults who have arthritis of the knee. Chondromalacia patella is caused when there is poor alignment due to congenital conditions, then weak thigh muscles, and when there is a muscle imbalance between the outside and inside of the thigh, and also when there is a direct blow or trauma to the knee. Now, if you have chondromalacia patella, you might experience symptoms such as pain in the anterior aspect of the knee. Then pain may worsen after you sit or stand for a long period of time, and also when there is excess weight gain. So let us start with the exercises. So the first exercises is SLR. What you have to do here is you need to lift your leg up straight, hold for 5 seconds, and come down. Again, you can repeat with the other leg. Hold for 5 seconds and come down, and you need to do 20 reps 3 times a day. And the next exercise is external hip rotation. What you have to do here is you need to lie down on your side, hips bent and knees together, and lift one leg, hold for 5 seconds and relax. Again, you can repeat. Hold for 5 seconds and relax, and the same thing you can do it for 20 repetitions and 3 times a day. Now the next exercise is quadricep contraction. What you have to do here is, in case you don't have a foam roller at home, you need to roll a towel like this or a pillow also, then keep it under your knee and press your knee down and hold for 5 seconds and relax. Again, press it down, hold for 5 seconds and relax. And again, you have to repeat for 20 repetitions 3 times a day. Now the next exercise is wall slide. What you have to do here is you need to stand against the wall so that your back and your glutes touch the wall. Then just slide down so that your knees are bent. Hold for 5 seconds and come up slowly. And repeat it for 20 repetitions 3 times a day. And while doing this exercise, do it slowly. Don't bend all of a sudden. Now the next exercise is dumbbell deadlift. What you have to do here is you can start with a 1 kg weight, hold the weight in front of you and try to bend. While bending, make sure that your head and your back is straight. Hold for 5 seconds and come up. Repeat this exercise for 5 times. I have a few exercises which you should avoid doing, and they are lunges, deep squats and leg extension machine. So these are all the exercises you need to do in case you have chondromalacia patella. And please don't forget to share, like and subscribe our channel and this video as well with your friends and family. Witness your fitness with us.